Hey guys, couple of improvements of the week. The first is our new buffer, which is totally awesome. It's a huge buffer and it's for part of our commitment to getting fantastic finish on our guitars. As you can see, finish is one of the most important things to give customer confidence in the product. Rob did a really nice job on these covers for extraction. So you can attach in a little extractor in the back and they're just made with cardboard. Really, really great. Awesome job, everybody there. Next thing is our new lean printer desk. So before the printer was just sitting on a table, now it's on wheels, the whole thing moves. You've got your 160 gram paper, your 100 gram paper, and you can actually have more paper on the back and more storage here, which we haven't used yet. This whole drawer slides out and these guys are all independent. So you've got your calculator and your punch, you've got your stationery, etc. And your printer is right here, so it needs a better place because it's in the dusty zone at the moment, but it's an awesome improvement. The next thing is some really nice color coding because we have been struggling with this CNC machine. So the first thing I did was took the time to label some of the sensors, and you can see there was confusion because one of the sensors said that it does this, but it actually does clamp open and tool secure. I won't go into the details of that, but you can see the sensors are right here, clamp open, tool secure, and we brought the color coding across. And what I also did was got these fantastic markers here. They're acrylic markers and they allow you to color code the wires when the wires have completely the wrong colors and it all gets confusing. So you can see this yellow, I put that yellow on that wire, and then you bring it across to the other side over here and it's yellow again. So that's by just painting them with the markers. We're going to do more work on this just to make it more simple. So if there is a problem, this thing is bundled up with wires inside. So we're going to do a whole new piece on that and color code everything. Yeah, and the next thing is some product improvements right here. So this is improving on the product. This is a whole new part on the product. So it'll be an optional extra for customers at some stage. Rudy did an awesome job where he took this whole CNC machine up in both directions and cleaned all the parts underneath, and did a really nice job. And there's a part back here at the back where there was a rubbing in there. That guy was rubbing off the aluminium, so he gouged out so that it's got space to turn, and learned a lot about the machine in the process, just about how it's all assembled, and took the bits apart and ready if there's ever a problem to handle it in a much better way. And then last improvement was, previously this was a woodshed, so we're repaying our family here to give them back, or at least my dad, a new woodshed, and here it is. So Rudy and Terry have done an absolutely splendid job on this woodshed. They've built the whole thing. We concreted this about 6 months back, but they've done it all with this shiplap, a whole roof on it. This is going to come down. We have the cladding here for going on the top, so we've given back a much better shed than was ever there originally before we did our extension. So leave it better than you found it. Happy days. And then the final thing is, this is all going to get, we're doing all the prep, so we've dug all of this out, and this is all going to get ready to put these bricks on, and the bricks will go over the whole area, and we're putting a big drain across the whole thing, and this is all going to be really nicely done so that you can access all the wires. So that's a work in progress, and there's some of our improvements. Awesome job, lots more to do, but awesome job to everybody. Great job everyone, and thank you so much everybody.